Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to fix the issue of microphone not working in Windows 11. First, you need to go to this sound option here, right click on it and go to sound settings. After opening the sound settings, you have to scroll down and see that your input device is correct or not. If it is correct, that's fine, but if it's not, then make sure to select it. After selecting it, take its input volume to 100 just to check if it is done connected. So after that, you have to go to the back settings, and I hope that this fixed your issue. But if it does not fix your issue, then let's go to another option where you have to scroll down a bit, where you have to go to the all sound devices, click on that, and in microphone, the output devices are these and input devices are these. This is our default device. We can enable this device also if we want to. So that's how we can use it and fix the issue for us. So I hope this video was useful to you, and if it was, then make sure to like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.